Psalm 98 verse 4.
Shout joyfully in the Lord, all the earth.
Break forth in song, rejoice and sing praises. Psalm 98 verse 4. Joy to the world.
Joy to the world.
Joy to the world. The Lord has come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him to. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing.
Thank you.
Ready, set, go.
Matthew 22, verse 37-39. You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your mind. This is the first and foremost commandment. The second is like it. You shall love your neighbor as yourself.
Ready, sing.
Seryoso na yan.